Probably there will be no contempt orders. Meron. So, in place of the time of Congressman Caraps Baduano, he yielded his time for our Senior Deputy Speaker, Aurelio Dong Gonzales, to deliver his opening remarks. You are now recognized.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Magandang araw sa ating lahat at mga nandito, sa lahat ng ating mga kababayang nanonood ngayon ng Quad Committee sa TV at iba't ibang social media platforms. Noong tumayo ako sa plenaryo upang imungkahi ang pagbuo ng Quad Committee na ito o mas popular na ngayon bilang Quadcom, na ay naging basihan ko ang una, yung drug bust sa bayan din ng Mexico, Pampanga, kung saan nasabat ang humigit kumulang 560 kilos na shabu na nagkakahalagang humigit kumulang ng 3.6 billion pesos. Pangalawa, ang pagkakadiskubre ng mga illegal na pogo, particular sa bayan ng Bamban, Tarlac at Porac, Pampanga, at ang mga extrajudicial killings na resulta ng illegal na pogo at dangerous drugs. Maraming salamat sa aking mga kasamahan sa Kongreso, lalong-lalo na kay Speaker Ferdinand Martin Gomez Romualdez sa pagbuo ng Quadcom, ganun din kina Senior Chairman of the Quadcom Committee and Concurrent Dangerous Drugs Committee Chairman Robert Ace Barbers, Committee on Public Order and Safety Chairman Dan Fernandez, Committee on Human Rights Chairman Bienvenido Benny Abante, Committee on Public Accounts Chairman Joseph Stephen Caraps Paduano, Quadcom Senior Vice Chairman Romeo Acop, at sa aking katuwang as Deputy Speaker David J.J. Suarez sa kanilang matagumpay na pamumuno at pakdakbo ng Quadcom. Pinupuri ko din ang aming mga kasamahan dito sa Kongreso ng Mambabatas na kasama na naglamay at nagpupuyat bawat hearing hanggang madaling araw. Lubos din po akong nagpapasalamat sa ating mga resource person na pumunta. Ang mga material, information na galing sa inyo ay naging makabuluhang basihan sa pagbabalangkas ng mga panukalang batas. Sa ating mga masisipag at hardworking na secretariat at mga congressional staff na kinabibilangan ng ating mga COMSEC Art, si Katuring, kasama ng iba pang mga COMSEC, si Sec Flor, Feli at Francis, sa mga media personnel na nag-cover, your efforts are truly appreciated. Maraming salamat po. At dahil sa inyo, mga congressmen at resource persons, ay nabuo ang mga House bills na ito. Una, House Bill number 10986, classifying EJK as in-use crime. Number 2, House Bill number 10987, the Anti-Offshore Gaming Operations Act. Number 3, the House Bill number 10998, the Espionage Law of 2024. Number 4, the House Bill number 11043, the Civil Forfeiture Act. And number 5, the House Bill number 11117, the Fraudulent Birth Certificate Cancellation Law. Before we conclude for the year, we will also finalize our progress report, which will be submitted to the plenary before the Christmas break. This report will summarize our findings, provide actionable recommendations, and outline the next steps to tackle these critical issues. It will also include accountability measures for officials involved in related anomalies. Today, we only end the inquiry for the year, but we are already preparing for next year in January. We will continue this work with even greater focus and determination. I hope this series of Quad Committee meetings reinforce why we are here to seek the truth, protect our people, and ensure a better future for every Filipino. Sa milyong-milyong mga Pilipinong sumubaybay at sa Quadcom and Chill na nanonood. Ang mga pagdinig ng committee ito ay ang trabaho ng Quadcom ninyo. Tunay na may Diyos po. Salamat at binulat niya ang ating mga mata upang makita at mapipigilan ang mga masasamang nangyayari sa ating bansa. As said in Isaiah 41, chapter 41, verse 10, and I quote, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not dismay, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." Unquote. Dakal pong salamat. Dong Gonzales po, kinatawan ng 3 Distrito ng Pampanga mula sa 19th Congress. Dakal pong salamat.
Thank you to our Senior Deputy Speaker
Mr.
for
Chair.
that very touching opening remarks. So
Yes. Mr. Chair.
Congressman Fernandez.
Before we proceed to the next item of our agenda, which is the admin matters, can we somehow show muna po yung isang video